Hello guys, good morning. PJ here, Silverman Adventures. After the hurricane, I hate to see what these docks look like in the morning, but all of my dock lights are normally on are gone. I looked down here just in the morning yesterday, in the afternoon, and everything's pretty well destroyed, so I'll get some pictures of it when the sun comes up. I heard a snook popping in front of me. Hopefully I get it. Get a keeper and go home, actually. Alright guys, appreciate my new subscribers, the watches, the comments. Love that, guys. I just hopefully you liked the little hurricane thing. Wasn't that much, my little vid, but I gave you a thing from my perspective of where I was at. I ain't going outside in that crazy stuff. I was outside nuts a couple times in that thing. So praying for everybody, guys, that going through it and lost everything they had. All right, I got something, guys. What is it? Not a ladyfish, I don't think. What the heck is this thing? All right, maybe it's a lunch. Maybe it's a lunch. Nope, come back here, you. Whatever it is, it don't want to come in. That's a little red. Little red. Come here, you, little bugger. Redfish are so much fun, guys. Come on. There we go. It's a mullet. How in the heck did I catch a mullet? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? He came off. Never ate a mullet before, guys. Come here. I did snag a mullet many years ago. I just snagged him again. Look, guys, look at that. One little crazy mullet. All right, Molly, see ya. I know there's plenty of you guys around here. All right, guys, I'm just trolling. I probably snagged a mullet. Nope, a little red. A little redfish, guys. I knew I saw him on in the dark this morning. That's a little one. Alrighty. A little bitty redfish. Alright. I get the flippiest fish in the world when I catch them. They just flipping all over the place. See you, brother. Thank you. I knew I saw a bunch of reds here in the dark, guys, so. Alright, guys. Had to switch my lure and stuff. Little trouty right there. Little trout. Cool. Alright, guys. Finally got me a little trouty. Little trout. Cool. Right about that spot I thought they would be at. Come on, little dude. Alrighty. Okay, guys. A little trout. Cool. See ya. Alright, guys. I'm just trolling across the channel here. Probably a ladyfish. Oh, it's a trout. Oh, he's gone. There's nothing staying on it. Dang, as soon as it hit the water, Another trout. Bye. Alright guys, I got something good here. I was just trolling. I said I'm going home. I got something good here. Please be a red. It's gotta be a redfish. Gotta be a red. Don't get in the sun, guys. I can't see nothing. Yeah, it's got to be a red or a giant sail catfish or something. Get my net ready here. Oh, it's a jack. Cool. Little jack, guys. Little crazy wild jack. All right, dude, relax. Oh yeah, you're talking to me. Look at that, guys. Beautiful little jack. All right, see you, dude. Thanks, man. All right, guys, I'm getting. Whoa, 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 whoa! Must be another jack. Right when I get by that pile, that pole right there. Yeah, it's got to be a jack. What are you little bugger? Yep, another jack. Another jack, guys. Crazy little fart. Come here. Get in here. Crazy little jack, guys. He's a pretty one. Well, you're the one that got bit it. I snagged him. All right, guys, another beautiful little jack. See you, dude. Dang. Alrighty, guys, I'm going back in. Caught a trouty on the way back. He's been caught before. Bye, dude. Alright, guys, I'm catching ladyfish after ladyfish after ladyfish. Saw my friendly tarpon roll up here. If he bites that hook, it's going to straighten them hooks out. Because I didn't put the 3X ones on yet. And my goofy thing's still making noise. I thought I fixed it. Gotta take this top part off here. One of my nice subs saw me going to sell it, and that's why I'm out today, to make sure that it's working, you know, before I sell it. So, got a brand new seat I'm sitting on, brand new steering here, brand new gear in the back, down in there, in the lower part. But I guess the top part's messing around somewhere. There's another little gear here and a big gear. So, I'm going to fix it. I wouldn't want to sell it to anybody and not have it. This thing never gave me any trouble until like 3 months ago. Now it's giving me all kind of trouble. Not the rest of the act, just the crazy what the heck? What? Did you see that, guys? Whatever hit that had teeth and it nailed me. Holy moly. About the same spot that crazy tarpon was. I said the tarpon was there. So he's got a mouthful of lure. So anyway, well guys, I'm going back because I'm just catching ladyfish and mini trouts. That boat used to be there, guys. Look at that guy's screen room. There's this good boat with 2 motors on the back. Look at that. Nice 20, 30 foot boat, 35 foot boat with 3 motors on it. This patio's all wrecked. Yeah, that dock's gone. Alright guys, everything's wrecked here from the storm. I've seen a bunch of fish feeding up in the shallows here. Probably jacks, because that's all that's around, jacks and ladyfish. Oh guys, this dock used to have a ton of fish by it. Nice old man lives there. Used to come out and check with us all the time. His neighbor's dock is gone. The boat's in the swimming pool. The other boat's there on the land. Dock's completely destroyed. Man, I feel sorry for these people. But hopefully they got enough money to live by the water. They got enough money to fix everything. Yep, it's destroyed. That new dock over here, part of it's got wrecked. Alright guys, it was a bad storm. Lucky it was so far offshore and it still wrecked a lot of stuff with the tide surge and all that. So that was a new house they were building. Didn't wreck that too much. Yeah, that dock's going. Boat in the pool.